But if you still want to break down the answer, let's finish it up here. You can break it down if you want to. I'm sure 18 can go. 18 can go. Yes, 18 can go. 18 can go, I think so. 18 brackets 13 plus 4 root 10 over 18 bracket 18. So this one can cancel this. So you can have your answer as 13 plus 4 root 10 over 18. Just because of space, you can leave your answer like this or leave it like this. However, you are still correct. Is it clear? You are still correct. Yeah. Alright, this question is asking me to rationalize. No problems. What I will do, I'll just work with what's in the bracket. You respect bracket first before I will later square it. So in our previous videos, you will know that to rationalize, just change the sign of the denominator alone. So that simply means root 5 plus root 2 over 2 root 5 minus 2 root 2 times, I will now multiply by the conjugate surd. The conjugate surd of this now is 2 root 5 plus 2 root 2 over, I'll multiply the numerator by the conjugate. I'll also multiply the denominator by the conjugate. I've said before, do not say this one cancels this, it will return you to the original question. Don't forget, I have not dealt with the square yet. I am trying to rationalize what's in the bracket first. So we can now expand. Root 5 times 2 root 5 will give me 2 root 25. For clarity purpose, that's why we are doing it like this. Root 5 times plus root 2 will give me plus root 10. Root 5 times this will give me root 10. Then plus root 2 times 2 root 5 will give me plus 2 root 10. Then this times this will give me plus root 4. All over 2 root 5 times 2 root 5 will give me 4 root 25. 2 times 2, 4. Root 5 times 5, 25. Then 2 root 5 times plus root 2 will give me plus 2 root 10. Then minus root 2 times this will give me minus 2 root 10. Then minus root 2 times plus root 2 will give me minus root 4. Please don't allow devil to use you. Don't say root 4 cancels root 4. Don't do that. So you just treat the numerator separately. Root 25 is 5. 5 times 2, I'll be getting 10 here. The whole of this one will give me 10 because root 25 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus root 10 plus 2 root 2 plus root 4 is what? 2. All over root 25 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus this minus this 2 will give me 0. So minus root 4 is what? 2. You understand? So I'm almost close to the answer. I'll now say, collecting like terms, 10 plus 2 is 12. These two, they are like terms because root 10 is just like you putting 1 here. Root 10 is here, root 10 is here, so they are like terms. So 10 plus 2 is 12 plus this and this will give me 3 root 10. So I'll be having 12 plus 3 root 10 all over what? 20 minus 2 is what? 18. I have dealt with what's in the bracket. Do you understand? The left one now is I cannot square it, so I cannot square like this. You get now? Squaring this now will give me numerator square, denominator square. So if I go ahead, I'll be having, it means I should represent this one 2 times. Like 12 square is 144. 12 square is 144. Then you give space plus 3 root 10. If you square it, it will be 3 square 9. Root 10 square is 10. 9 times 10 will give me what? 90. Do you understand? Plus 90. Then over 18 square. 18 times 18, 64, 144, 18. That's 324. That will be 324. Now, going further, I am going to multiply these two and double my result. So 12 times 3 is 36 root 10. If I double it, I'll be getting 72 root 10. So if you expand like I did here, you would have gotten this as your final answer. So you are free to proceed by saying 144 plus 90 will give me, 234 plus 72 root 10 all over 324. That's your final answer. That's your what? Final answer.